In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video background to your Wix website. This process is simple and only takes a few steps, allowing you to enhance the visual appeal of your site and engage your audience with dynamic content. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. Open your browser and log into your Wix account. From the dashboard, select the website you'd like to edit and click on the Edit Site button to enter the Wix editor. The editor is where all the magic happens, giving you access to various tools and features to customize your site according to your needs. Once you're in the Wix editor, turn your attention to the left side of the screen, where you'll find a menu packed with options. Click on the background button within this menu. Selecting this will open up a panel that allows you to change the background elements of your website's current page. It's a great way to set the tone and mood of your website by choosing an appropriate image, color, or video. Next, within the background options, you will see a button labeled Video. Click on it to access the video background settings. This will present you with a range of video backgrounds to choose from, but if you have a specific video in mind, you'll need to upload it. If you're ready to upload your own media, go ahead and click on the Upload Media button. What this does is open up the media library where you can manage and organize your videos and other uploads. Within this library, you'll find a button labeled Upload from Computer. Click this to select a video file directly from your computer. Make sure that the video file you want to upload is ready on your device, and remember to consider the video's visual content and how it complements your website's overall aesthetic. After your video uploads, it will appear in your media library. From here, you can select the video to set it as your background. Now, all that's left is to finalize the changes. You'll find a Change Background button which you'll need to click to confirm your selection. Selecting this will apply the video as your site's background. And there you have it, your website now has a stunning video background. This feature not only serves to captivate your visitors, but also enhances user experience by adding a professional touch to your site's design. Remember, you can always return to this process to update or change your video in future. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials to elevate your website game.